Good morning, everyone. I am Rishikeshavan. Here's my team members Praveen Babu and Hariharan. We are from Mount Zion International School CBSE. I and my friends are studying 9th standard. Here we going to show about a tinkering kit. It, our first project is alarm system using PIR sensor. Alarm system using PIR sensor consists of battery, breadboard, buzzer, LED and PIR sensor. It works by when any object cross it, the PIR sensor will detect and send the message to a buzzer, and the buzzer will beep, and the same time the LED will blink. Our second project is smoke detector. How the smoke detector is working? When any smoke is come near to the sensor, it will sense and the beeper will buzzer, and in LCD display it will show the value of the how much smoke is surrounded. It shows less means it will safe. It shows more means it will very danger. And our third project is LPG gas leakage detector. How LPG gas detector work? When in air the LPG gas is spreaded, the sensor will sense and the signals will pass through the Arduino, and Arduino send the signals to the beeper and LED lights. When in the air the green light will show no LPG gas means less there is LPG gas means the red light will show, and same time the beeper will beep. The components are Arduino, MQ5 sensor, LEDs, buzzers, 1K resistor, jumper wires and breadboard. Our fourth kit is traffic light controller. In our traffic light controller, it consists of Arduino breadboard, one red light, one yellow light and one green light. This is worked by first the red light will blink, after that the yellow light will blink, after continuous the green light will blink 3 times. This will continue some more times. Our fifth project is LCD green screen weather station. LCD screen weather station consists of sensor, Arduino and LCD screen. When the sensor take the data from sense the air and will show in the LCD display. It shows temperature. And our sixth project is ultrasonic distance sensor. Ultrasonic distance sensor consists of ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno and LCD display, and work by when we place the object in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it will detect and will send to the Arduino, and the Arduino send to the data to the LCD display, and this LCD display will show the measurement. Seventh project is air quality monitoring system. It consists of how the air quality monitoring system work. It consists of Arduino Uno, LCD display and a MQ5 sensor. When we place a MQ5 sensor in any bad condition water or any bad air, it will show it toxic. It will measure the measurement and will show toxic. The air is good means it will show good. Thank you. I will keep my best, and I will grow my talent.